Easter Island. Now imagine this. You're standing on a small, isolated island in the middle of the ocean, thousands of kilometers away from the nearest continent. There's nothing around you, just wind, waves, and hundreds of massive statues. These statues are called the Moai. And here's where things get really interesting. These giant statues, known as the Moai, are not just big. They are impossibly big for the time they were made. We're talking about hundreds of statues, all carved from solid volcanic rock, with incredible detail. And here's the crazy part. Most of them were carved in one place called Rano Raraku, a volcanic crater that looks like something from another world. Even today, you can see unfinished statues still attached to the rock, like the workers suddenly stopped and never came back. So the big question is, how did they move them from there to all around the island? Some of these statues were transported over 15 kilometers. Think about that. No wheels, no metal tools, no animals, just humans and stone. One popular theory says they used trees. They cut down trees and used them as rollers, placing the statues on top and slowly moving them forward. Sounds logical, right? But here's where things don't add up. A long time ago, Easter Island was actually full of forests, especially giant palm trees. But over time, those trees completely disappeared. Scientists believe the people cut them down for moving the Moai, and eventually, the island was left almost empty. The problem is the numbers. When researchers try to calculate how many trees would be needed to move hundreds of massive statues, the number becomes huge. So huge that it raises a serious question. If they really used trees this way, wouldn't the forests have disappeared much faster than the evidence shows? Because of this, some researchers suggest a different idea. What if the statues didn't slide, but actually walked? Using ropes, groups of people could rock the statues side to side, slowly moving them forward. And strangely, this matches the shape of the statues and how they're positioned. Here's another mystery. All the statues are facing inland, toward the island, not the ocean. It's like they're watching the people, protecting them, or maybe even judging them. Some believe the statues represent ancestors, powerful leaders, or spirits, but no one knows for sure. Now things get even darker. At some point in history, the people of Easter Island started to disappear. Forests were cut down, resources ran out, and the civilization began to collapse. Some say it was a warning. Others believe something much stranger happened. There are even theories that the knowledge to build the statues didn't come from humans at all. Yeah, you heard that right. Some people believe ancient visitors from somewhere else may have helped. So here's the question. How did a small, isolated civilization create something so massive, so precise, and so mysterious? They've been standing there for hundreds of years, silent, watching, and maybe hiding a secret we're not ready to discover.